Many devotees to the Black Nazarene pray for favors from the miraculous image. Others take advantage of the feast day to thank God for the many blessings of the. Here's Bianca Piedad for the report.
In the midst of the pressing throng of millions of adherents of the Black Nazarene on the 9th of January of every year are the gems of stories behind the famous religious icon. Every year, these vendors plying their trade in the sides of the minor basilica bear witness to the growing number of devotees who continue to flock to the place in the hope of improving their lot in life. But above the chaos around the Quiapo Church are stories of faith on the miracles said to have been performed by Poong Nazareno.
Bumababuhay ko.
Kwento niyo po sa amin yung story.
Diabetic ako. Piling ako na pagalingin ako. Mababuhay ko ha. Awa naman yung Diyos. Hindi ako pinababayaan.
Basta pag wala kami benta, hingi lang kami sa kanya ng tulungan mo kami. Isa, maya-maya lang. Basta lang, panata ka lang sa lang.
On top of miraculously healing from a serious condition, devotion to the Black Nazarene is also said to help enlightening one's lot in life.
Nagbubuntis ako na gustong malaglag ang baby ko. Tapos yung yung mister ko po kasi marami na po, pang-10 na po yon. Ngayon, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ayaw ko. Doon ko hinihiling ang kapatawaran ko. Tapos sabi ko, Lord, mahal na Nazareno, patawarin mo ako. Na sana po yung baby ko walang masamang mangyari at walang diferensya po, na maisisilang ko siyang malusog. Hindi ako pinahirapan talaga. Doon ako naniniwala talaga sa buong buhay ko. Kaya yun na nangyari. Maganda ang pagpanganak ko. Hindi ako nahihirapan. Hanggang ngayon. Yung mister ko, dati nagja-Japan. Trabahador siya sa Japan. Na-stroke siya doon. Na-hospital ng 2 beses. Pero hindi. Malakas ang pananalig ko kay Mama Mary tsaka sa mahal na Poong na pag-imalaan siya na huwag na maoperahan at pagalingin. Nagkaroon siyang gallbladder, high blood, saka sa prostate. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakakapagtrabaho siya.
Corazon, Tina, Leonila, and Flor de Liza are just among those millions whose own brand of faith mirrors the kind that entails tremendous sacrifice as an expression of their ardent thanksgiving for the graces received. If we think that the sacrifices made by the faithful are only made up of the planting of a kiss at the foot of the Black Nazarene, or the Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno in Spanish, and the celebration of the transfer or translación of the statue to the Quiapo Church every 9th of January and during Holy Fridays, then we have another thing coming. Every day, from the peddling of wares on the streets to making sure the surroundings of the Quiapo Church are clean and the mouthing of prayers while walking on one's knees are but simple and living proofs of the sacrifices one can make in gratitude for the everyday miracles they bring. For television, Bianca Piedad.